Hi, today we're going to be looking at the Dyson V6 mattress, and this variant is designed specially to clean mattresses, and Dyson says that this mattress cleaner has powerful suction to remove allergens from your mattress, and the main tool that it uses to clean the mattress would be this. This is called this is the mini motor. They call this the mini motorized brush, and it has this brush roll here that gives agitation on the mattress. I'll be testing this in a separate video. And another tool that it comes with is this soft dusting brush. The bristles here on this brush are soft. And another one would be this crevice tool, and lastly it comes with this combination brush tool here. This tool has agitation here. It has a felt cloth here, felt-like cloth for agitation, and if you pull this up, it turns into a brush tool. This is a standard tool across pretty much all of the V6 variants, and this tool has a full Dyson says it has HEPA filtration here. It has two filters. This is the first filter here. This is the main filter, and the HEPA filter is located here at the back. This is the post motor filter here. Both of these filters are washable, and this is the this is the charging. This is the plug, and this will work both. This is an auto volt plug. Which means it works on both between 100 and 240 volts. And this is a cordless, so this will not work when you plug it in. If it's not plugged in, it works, but if it's plugged in, if you plug it in, it will not work. Power is cut off. This is just a safety feature. And this machine is equipped with a V6 motor, and all of these tools here can be plugged in this machine. This is the mattress tool here. This is the soft dusting brush. It clicks into place when you push it, and this is the crevice tool and the dusting brush. So this vacuum has around 22 air watts of suction at normal mode, and it has a max function here. When you look at the back, it has a max function here that when you press this, it turns on. It increases suction to all the way to 100 air watts. To put that in perspective, that's around close to half the suction of a Dyson upright or canister vacuum. And I'll be testing the suction in a bit. It comes, all Dyson cordless vacuums come with a 2-year warranty, and all of them have this same bin here. You just have to push this down to open it, and I've been using this for almost the past year, and I've been pretty satisfied with the suction, and I'll show you briefly in a moment how the suction works. Okay, now I have here, I've laid down baby powder. This is baby powder, and this are rolled oats. I like to use both of this to test how vacuums pick up. Obviously, powder is really tough on vacuums, and this is a good litmus test for any vacuum cleaner, how it performs. I'll be first trying to pick all of this up using the normal suction mode, and then I'll switch over to the max and see the difference. And I'll start with the normal suction mode. Okay, this is the normal suction mode. Let's get started with it. Okay, that was pretty impressive, I must say. I didn't even need to turn on the max suction to and it was able to pick pretty much all of the powder on the floor. There's a little bit of residue there, which I'll come back to, and let's move over to the rolled oat side, and let's turn this vacuum on. Again, I'd like to remind you that this is only the normal suction mode, and I'll show you how the dirt bin looks like. Pretty much suck everything up. And there you go. I didn't even need to turn on the max suction, and pretty much was able to pick up everything. And here is how the dirt bin looks like. It's how the dirt bin looks like here. It's all of everything pretty much is sucked in the bin, and let's try to empty it now. I've noticed that there's a little bit of residue that's left here on the floor, and I'll try to pick it up using this vacuum. Let's see how it does here. Use the vacuum. I'm rubbing the floor using the brush here. And I'll just give you a closer look, and pretty much it was able to pick up most the residue on the floor, the dust residue. If you really want it clean, you can wipe it down with a microfiber towel. Slightly damp microfiber towel, then quickly dry it up. But again, for me, that's pretty impressive. For the power at normal mode, it was able to pick up everything. Now, one of the biggest complaints consumers have with the V6 is how difficult it is to empty the bin. And let's try. Let's see how it is here, but at least with rolled oats and powder. Let's just push this down. just push this lever down and it will release, open the door at the bottom. Okay. Since most of the dirt here, to tap this here. Now if you're cleaning stuff like pet hair or dander, you'll notice that there some of those debris may get stuck in this, between this crevice here. If that happens, you can just take off the whole bin here. Take off the whole bin, just push this down and to release the whole bin, and that should free up all the dirt that's stuck. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to use soft tissue to wipe around here and around this area here. So what I'll do is I'll get a soft piece of facial tissue, just wipe this down here, just to clean it up. And there's pretty much all the mess that's picked up by the vacuum, and it is pretty impressive. Even at the normal mode, it was able to pretty much suck up everything on the ground. And I'll be doing more videos of this cleaning upholstery, mattress, and just put this back in the bin. And if you have any questions about the V6, any of its functionalities, just feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.